Hi there, just another update on the car. This evening I'm just doing a brake and hub refresh. So I've just gone over the all the calipers and the hubs with a scourer and then just rinsed it off with brake cleaner. And then I'm just going to paint the calipers special heat resistant enamel paint. So gloss black for the calipers, and then I'm going to do the hubs matte grey. So they appear like they're new discs, because that's the colour the Mercedes discs come from the parts department in. So I'm just going to do that. I've just done the fronts at the moment, just got the backs to do. I've had the wheels off and cleaned them inside and out, so they're all good and clean. And then just over here, just show you, I did the same, just cleaned the wheel bolts with a scourer and then rinsed them with brake cleaner. And then I'm just giving them a couple of coats of silver wheel paint, so they all look nice and fresh. So I've also got some new number plates to go on, just to freshen it up front and back. And if I've got time, I'm just going to take these headlight washer arms off, give them a little rub down and then paint them matte black as well. But yeah, just thought I'd show you what I'm doing. Thanks very much. Bye.